D, A, B, C, D, E, F,
That's scary.
What you doing, Henry?
Bye-bye.
Are you reading Grandma's letter?
Bye-bye. Daddy,
Yeah.
we need a question mark here.
Did you find a question mark?
Yeah, we need a question mark here.
You need a question mark down there?
Yeah.
Did Grandma leave a question mark out?
No.
No.
It didn't put it here.
She didn't put it there?
Yeah, that's fine.
Do you see a question without a question mark?
No.
Tell me where to do it though.
Right here.
You think you need a question mark right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you make one?
No, I need some little help.
You want a little help?